Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vamangi Goswami. Today I would like to discuss about our new topic purines and pyrimidines. Here this is your part 2 video. In part 1 video we have already discussed about synthesis of purines, adenines and guanines, while here in part 2 we will discuss about synthesis of pyrimidines, uracil, thymine and cytosine in detail. This topic comes under Gujarat University syllabus BSc Chemistry semester 5. Paper number 301, unit number 4B. So let us start. So here we have to study synthesis of pyrimidine, uracil, cytosine and thymine in detail. Pyrimidine is a 6-member ring structure which contains 2 nitrogen at meta position to each other. Here the numbering can be done in the way that nitrogen get the minimum number. So here numbering nitrogen is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And next uracil is 2,4-dihydroxypyrimidine. So at second and fourth position hydroxyl group is present. Cytosine is 4-amino-uracil, that is at position 4 amino group is present. Here in thymine it is 5-methyl-uracil. So at position number 5 one methyl group is present. Now let us start with the synthesis of pyrimidine. Pyrimidine was prepared from barbituric acid. Here is the structure of barbituric acid. Barbituric acid can be tautomerized and changed to hydroxyl groups. After reaction in presence of POCl3, all the hydroxyl groups are converted to chloride group. Again, in presence of zinc dust and hot water, all the chloride are replaced by hydrogens and forms a pyrimidine structure. Pyrimidine is probably a resonance hybrid of the following resonating structure. So these four are the resonating structures of pyrimidine. Now let us start with the synthesis of uracil. As we know, uracil is 2,4-dihydroxypyrimidine. Uracil is a hydrolytic product of the nucleic acid. It has been synthesized in many ways. First method is given by Fischer and Roeder. They have used urea and ethyl acrylate as a starting material. Here the nitrogen lone pairs have attacked the carbonyl carbon over here, and this nitrogen also attacked the another terminal carbon and forms a ring structure which is dihydrouracil. In presence of Br2 and acetic acid, here at position number 5 bromine is attached, Br attached, and after reaction in presence of pyrimidine and heat minus HBr, the adjacent hydrogen is released as minus HBr and forms a double bond and forms a uracil structure. Second method is given by Wheeler and Liedl. Here they have used thiourea and sodioformyl acetic ester. Here again lone pair of nitrogen is attacked to this carbonyl carbon, and here the terminal carbon is attacked by this another lone pair of nitrogens, and the ring structure forms. Here after reaction in presence of aqueous chloroacetic acid and boil, the S is replaced by O and forms a structure of uracil, and this as a side product it releases. Third method is given by Davidson et al. This is the best method for the preparation is to heat a solution of maleic acid and urea in fuming sulfuric acid. So starting material maleic acid is used. In presence of fuming sulfuric acid, it forms CO2 and H2O and forms 3-oxopropanoic acid. In presence of urea, this 3-oxopropanoic acid forms a ring structure and forms structure of uracil. The theoretical possible tautomeric structures of uracil are shown here. So these are the tautomeric structures of uracil. Now let us start with the synthesis of thymine. Thymine is 5-methyl-uracil or 2,4-dihydroxy-5-methylpyrimidine. Thymine is a hydrolytic product of nucleic acid. It has been synthesized in many ways. first method is given by Fisher and Roeder. Here they have used again urea and ethyl methacrylate. Here again lone pairs of nitrogen is attached to this carbonyl carbon, and this nitrogen also attached to this terminal carbon atom. So here ethanol is liberated, 1 mole of ethanol is liberated and a ring structure takes place. Again here in presence of Br2, bromine is attached on carbon number 5 over here, and after reaction in presence of pyrimidine, it releases as minus HBr. H is released from the next adjacent carbon atoms and forms a double bond over here and forms a structure of thymine. Second method of formation of thymine is given by Wheeler and Liddell again. Here they have used thiourea and sodioformyl propanoic ester as a starting material. Again here also lone pairs of nitrogen is attached to the carbonyl carbon over here, and another nitrogen is attacked at the terminal carbon of this structure. After heating, it releases one ethanol molecule from this part and one NaOH molecule from this part. Here ring closure takes place, ring structure forms, and after reaction in presence of aqueous chloroacetic acid, it forms a double bond over here and forms a structure of thymine. Third method is given by Bergman et al. Here they have used urea and 2-cyanopropanoic acid as a starting material. Here again lone pairs of nitrogen attack to the carbonyl carbon over here, and another nitrogen lone pair attack to nitrile carbon and forms a ring structure in presence of acetic acid. 1 mole of H2O liberated from this part. After reduction of this in presence of H2PT, it forms a structure of thymine by releasing one ammonia gas molecule. Now let us start with the synthesis of cytosine. Cytosine is 4-aminouracil or 4-amino-2-hydroxypyrimidine. It is a hydrolytic product of nucleic acid. It has been synthesized in many ways. The first synthesis was given by Wheeler and Johnson. They have used S-ethyl isothiourea and sodioformyl acetic ester as a starting material. Here again lone pairs of nitrogen is attacked to the carbonyl carbon and another nitrogen is attacked to the terminal carbon over here. So 1 mole of ethanol and 1 mole of NaOH is liberated from these parts and forms a ring structure like this after heating. Next step is heating in presence of POCl3 replaces this OH group by Cl groups. Another step is the reaction with ammonia in presence of ethanol replaces chloride ion with NH2. In presence of HBr, this will be replaced by one hydroxyl group and forms a structure of cytosine. Second method for synthesis of cytosine is given by Tarcio et al. This is considered to be the method for the synthesis of cytosine. Here they have used melon dialdehyde acetal in presence of NH2OH.HCl, that is hydrochloride salt. It forms a ring structure, that is isoxazole. In presence of NaOH basic condition and C2H5 twice SO4, it forms beta ethoxyacryl nitrile. In presence of BuONa in presence of urea, it fuses and forms a ring structure, which is the structure of cytosine. Katritsky et al. Have examined the ultraviolet and NMR spectra of aqueous solutions of the cytosine and have concluded that the following two species are present in the nucleic acid.